Look at the title. You clicked on this video, you cannot get off. If you click off, you're not just gonna watch me suffer through this. So, I was playing Beast Swarm and I thought of an idea where like blah 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 blah. If I can beat it with only 50 basic bees. Indeed, my brothers. Indeed. Rebooting my brain cells. Let's do this again, brothers. Ugh, Mr. P. I don't need this tutorial. All I need is a 50 basic keys. Yay! Like the two other times, I sucked. It was horrible. Wink. Buzz. Crawlers. Secret profile code. And then, let's do this again. I might get lucky with no bother. Yay. Oh, thank goodness. 4 basic bees. Let's go, my brothers. This is episode 1. So, enjoy it. Enjoy me suffering. Like, I cannot have a frosty rage. Okay, It's not my problem. Let's go hurry up, guys. Chop chop. We have no time to talk. Episode 1's gonna be longer. How much have I been? 2 minutes already? Like, I thought it's been 2 seconds. Look at him go. Look at my beautiful basic bees. Finally, there are no errors and I get like a single basic, gifted basic bee. Let's do this. $50 basic bees. 50 of these creatures. Like, think of 50 cockroaches. They're basically not bothering you. You're bothering them. Now do you get why they're scared of you? 50 basic bees. Mr. L9999999. I just started playing this 15 minutes ago. Mr. P. Too easy. I finished this quest in 2 seconds. 250. That's a lot, mister. Look at my look at my 4 basic bees. Again, it's so easy. 2 in a second. Yeah, hold on. Hold on, game. Wait, I'm dumb. Big bag. Duration. I am a monster. I knew what I knew. Oh, do not touch anything. Because Corona. 6 feet, you 2. 6 feet, you 4. I do not want your thing. I never want it. I'll keep it in stock and give it away to the Windy Bee. My brother has a Windy Bee, but I don't. I don't have Windy, and he does? How disrespectful. I'm getting bullied. Because of Roblox. This is rubbish. Hey, you. I need. So I'm gonna order 1,000,000 until it reaches the top. The top. The top. The top. How much do I need? 6,000. I can't record that long because I'm too lazy. 7 minutes already? Okay, let's make it longer than I thought it would be. Guys, I have to end the video here. Let me know if you want to see my challenges in the future because I can do them. I can definitely do them. Cooper! Oh, it's that guy. Okay. Like, subscribe everyone because you're gonna see me go through a lot of pain in this series of madness about 50 basic bees, and I can subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a video when they. Sadly, I have to end the video right here because I have to go to bed. It's literally 8:40. But I will title the video right now in the description, but not the description. I don't know about the description, but just don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you later. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.